Cedar's not gonna save us. Any ideas?
Actually, I've been thinking, Jimmy Gibbs stock cars around here somewhere. We just gotta find it, gas it up, and I'll drive that thing to New Orleans my damn self.
Well, it beats my idea. Staying here, dying in the mall.
Alright, I'm betting the gas tanks will probably be empty. We're gonna have to gas it up before we haul ass.
As soon as these doors open, get ready to run. Get this car gassed up!
Coming. Let's get out of the goo. Got it!
I got this one!
I got a can. Got it. And hey, watch it. Look out! Thing. I'm gonna heal. Okay. Got it. Get in there. Hurry up. Hurry up. Shit, gas. Get in the car. Come on. Come on. One more for the gas tank. I got you. Filled up. Let's go. Get to the car.
Buckle up, folks. I aim to see what this boy can